mga payab, welcome po ulit, no? Sa ating sa aking channel. So, magre-react po ulit tayo ngayon sa videos. 5 scary videos for horrible nightmares. Ayan, caught on camera. Ayan. So, magre-react reaction muna tayo rito, mga payabs. So, panoorin natin.
Scary things caught on camera. Number 1. Our first video is from Mindset TV. This time Casey and Colton went to the house of the couple who contacted them, in which they wrote that the house is very active and every now and then inexplicable phenomena happen. Moreover, in the past a woman was killed in this house and her body was found in the lake behind the house. To find out is it true, they both decided to go to the supposedly haunted house.
Wherever your presence is, you can talk to us. Scan? What does that mean?
Scan.
Maybe scan the house?
Maybe. What is it actually asking us to scan right now? Oh, shit.
Uy!
Something broke and the chair just moved. That chair just moved right there.
The second we walk out of the room, I hear what sounds like a glass break, and then all of a sudden it sounds like dragging furniture across the tile floor.
What is it actually asking us to scan right now? Oh, shit.
May nahulog, may nagparamdam na.
Chair got pushed over, papers flew out. Colton was right behind me with his camera. We both captured it. I know that Colton got part of it, but I know I got all of it on my cell phone.
Actually asking us to scan right now. Oh, shit.
Nagwawalang multo.
After a few minutes of investigation, at one point they experienced poltergeist activity. Suddenly a glass was thrown to the floor and one of the chairs was sharply shifted. Next they went to the barn.
My first
nagwawala.
reaction was to mute the spirit box, so I muted the spirit box and we were just listening for a moment, trying to see if we could hear maybe another one or like any kind of follow-up noises.
Go! Langya, galit na galit yung multo. Takbo.
I can't explain to you what emotionally and mentally went on there. It was like everything that I had a choice of to think about shut off, and an instinct just kicked in.
Yan, no? Oh. Atras silang dalawa.
Everything around us was rumbling. It felt like the whole barn or stall was gonna get lifted off of the f***ing ground.
I'm telling you right now, I'm
Oh, napalabas sila sa bahay, eh. Oh.
Let's leave, dude. Yeah, let's get Yeah.
The second Casey makes it back with the spirit box, there's 1 second of silence and then crash.
Let's go. Tell me you heard that. Tell me you heard that.
Dude, sounds like somebody did a cannonball.
This sounded like someone cannonballed into the f***ing lake. That's the only way that I could explain it. It was loud, there was bass to it.
Let's go. Tell me you heard that.
What's that, dude? Sounds like somebody did a cannonball.
There's no way.
After what they experienced in the barn, they heard a splash near the lake. They went there to have session with the Ouija board. What they managed to record there is really goddamn scary.
Is there more than one of you here?
Ito yung ayaw na ayaw ko na ano. Yung maglalaro ka ng Ouija board. Kasi ano ng ano talaga yan eh. Pinapasokan ng bad spirit. 'Di ba? Pagka ganyan. So, check natin.
Can you give us an initial? Can you give us your name? Can you give us anything?
When we looked out to the lake to see
Yeah.
what was making this noise, I could see what clearly looked like to me. I mean, crystal.
Parang may ano, may lalabas sa ano,
woman's head peeking at us out of the water.
sa tubig.
I could see eyes. I could see hair. I could see wet hair.
You have no idea what it's like to experience that type of thing. And so without even a second thought or look or guess or asking each other's opinion, we were gone.
At one point, the frightening head of a woman emerges from the lake and so disturbs Casey and Colton that they decide to leave this place as soon as possible. So was it the real ghost of the murdered woman and the activity of a poltergeist? Or is it just a well-prepared hoax? You are the judges. You decide. Also, if you want
Alam nga, pati yung nagnanarrator eh. Nakakaano yung boses. Nakakatakot din yung boses pati yung nagnanarrator eh. Mga payabs. Tuloy tayo.
watch the full episode, visit his YouTube channel.
Oh, Mindseed.
TV.
Maganda rin yung ano ng Mindseed na yan.
Videos from the Eder Hernandez channel, who with his crew went to the allegedly haunted cemetery. For
Cementerio?
a dozen or so minutes, the team of ghost hunters walked the entire area.
Hindi mawawala ng multo rito sa sementeryo.
Tenían la forma como, ahora sí que humanoide, güero.
Sí, eran chaparrillos.
Ajá,
Era para acá, ¿no?
sí, güey,
Aquí arriba de ese árbol.
sí, güey. Pero eran como ojos humanoides. ¿Qué, güey? ¿Cómo
Se volvió loca.
Mira, mira. Chale, ¿y ahora?
Loco, salió como un pedo. güey.
¿Salió corriendo nomás de repente? ¿Y eso?
Escuché un ruido aquí y nada más de repente salió corriendo para allá.
Pero sí salió como que asustada, güey.
Sí.
Mi gente, pues seguimos. Abusados, güey, No los vaya a agarrar por sorpresa nada, güey. Y no se paniquen ni salir corriendo, güey. Porque aquí sí se ha puesto, en esta zona, güey. Sí se ha puesto.
Se escuchó aquí atrás.
¿Sí escuchaste, papi?
Sí, aquí atrásito.
Te lo juro que escuché algo aquí atrás.
Está grande también.
Está grande, güey. Bueno, aquí también.
La maldito.
Chinga
maldito.
tu ma.
May sumigaw.
At one point, they heard something in the bushes next to them, and one of the cameras records something interesting. A little white figure moving around in the bushes. Unaware of what they had recorded, they continued until Eder recorded this.
Yo no escuché ni el tosido ni ahorita. No dejen solo al güerito hermoso, por favor. Vamos a mandar a hacer más camisas, mi gente. Y posiblemente, si hay alguna imprenta que nos esté viendo en este momento, si hay alguna imprenta que nos esté viendo en este momento y quiera hacer un convenio o un negocio con nosotros, mi gente. Mira, 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 mira,
No.
no mames, güey. Allá atrás de la amarilla, güey. De la amarilla, te lo
Mira.
juro, güey.
No vi.
Te juro por Dios, güey.
Estaba yo de espalda.
Yun,
No creo que se haya
layo.
grabado, güero. Es que es panorámica, pa.
No sé, güey. Igual lo checo.
Chécalo, papacito. Mi gente, seguro que vi una silueta allá.
While exploring, Eder noticed something, a dark silhouette that was moving around the cemetery. But what they recorded after that was even weirder.
Yo no escuché ese susurro que di. Bueno, es un suspiro. ¿Escuchaste, Fósil?
Fósil.
Sí, como que sí lo afectó, mi gente. Aquí entre nosotros siento que sí lo afectó. Como que mufó, como un toro.
¿Pero qué? ¿Pero cómo decir? Pero más
Pero cerca
Like
de
a
mí.
bull daw.
cerca de mí, güey, atrás.
Pollo, acuérdate que vienes grabando, papi.
Sí, pero es que tengo muchas moscas en la...
Siempre hay un pretexto. Siempre hay un puto pretexto. Pero no pelas un chorizo, güey.
Ey, algo frente.
¿Dónde, verga?
Allá arriba.
¿Dónde, verga? A ver, hace un lado, hace un lado.
Alumbre.
Hazte a un lado, verga.
Al-
¿Dónde, güey? No hay nada.
Güey, vi algo aquí enfrente.
No hay nada, puñetas.
No, puñeta.
Suddenly, one of the
Ahora pa.
investigators notices something suspicious. But when they are all looking at the same place, they see nothing. For a fraction of a second, the camera recorded a mysterious figure that was on the fence. Is it real ghost recorded on the camera or just a hoax? The final decision is yours. Also,
Di naman,
if you
ano?
want to watch the full episode of this investigation,
Wala akong gano'ng nakita.
visit his YouTube channel.
Ang lalayo ng ano nila.
Number 3.
Number 3 tayo, mga
Is
peps.
from the popular YouTube channel Tichy143.
Trichy.
This time he decided to go with his friend to an abandoned building. Upon arriving at the scene, they went to the second floor, where they managed to record something chilling.
Buti may subtitle. Wala. Wala. Ano yun? Witch? Umakyat pa nga sila. Nakipag-usap pa nga. Sabay nagtago.
In the building next door, they see a terrifying figure of a woman with long black hair hanging from the edge of the building. They both run to the roof of the building, where they record the spirit again. After that, they go there in search of a ghost, but find no one.
Pinuntahan pa nga nila. Ayun, no? Nasa kabila na. Pinuntahan. Tapang ah.
Sige na, wala.
Suddenly, in the building they were in, a few minutes
Kaya
earlier,
lumipat doon sa
appears
kanila.
probably the same ghost silhouette as before. Again, investigators ran and checked the place, but no one is there. Is it a real ghost or just a well-prepared mystification? Choose wisely. Number 4.
Number 4 na tayo, mga
Next is
pebs.
from the channel Lomar Mans, who with his girlfriend went to the haunted Daga Woods marsh where people see skinwalkers. During the nightly investigation, while they were both sitting in the tent, they experienced something chilling.
Diyan pa kayo nag-tent. Parang nag-camping lang kayo dyan ah.
You okay? What's up? Babe, are you good? Open the tent.
Holy, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Are you okay?
Oh my god.
Parang may sumaka.
Bub, what's going on?
I literally just felt like someone was choking me. Like, bad. I'm tearing right now.
Can you breathe now, okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Holy, that literally scared the shit out of me.
Wait, what do you mean you felt like someone was choking you? Like, could you feel their hands on you?
No, my throat was just tightening up. It's really hard to talk for a moment.
Who was doing that?
Holy, that was really hard to fucking talk.
Who just did that to Lamar?
May nanakal daw sa kanya.
You're not allowed to touch us or cause any pain.
Make yourself known right now.
Yung sensor nila. Tumunog yung ghost sensor nila.
It's right by the second camera. It almost sounded like someone was walking away.
I don't want to go out there. Just wait. Wait a couple more seconds. It sounds like they're walking. No.
Give me the camera. Our camera is literally set up right there. Someone was just moving out here.
Suddenly Lomar started to choke, and moments later the motion sensor detected something. But what they managed to
Mga aso to.
was
Mahul pa.
certainly creepy.
Langhiya.
Is it crypt?
Is there a cryptid beast that lives in this forest? We heard the screech last time that a lot of people claim to hear. Are you the man who killed his wife with the pearl dagger and died in this woods?
Right behind you.
The camera that was set up in advance records the human figure of someone or something moving through the woods in the middle of the night. Was it a real skinwalker or someone wandering in the forest? Let me know in the comments
You know.
below. Number 5. The
Number 5 na tayo, mga
is from the
paps.
YouTube channel Chamos,
Chamos.
who went to the Unbanded Hat, which is the place where the ghost of the priest is seen.
A nossa energia já tá fraca já, velho. A gente tem que ter mais atenção agora. Cara do céu. Que medo, velho.
Tatakot na yung isa.
Meu Deus, Jota! Olha ali,
Lá.
cara! Deus, cara, como isso?
Ele sumiu, cara. Ele tava aqui agora, Chamos.
Cara do céu, cara. Não
Nawala.
é possível, velho.
Ele tava aqui agora, cara.
Tu viu também, né, Jota?
Vi sim, velho.
As they both approach the building, they notice that someone is standing in front of them, a mysterious figure that terrifies them both. But just as quickly appeared, disappears after a second. They then go inside, but they didn't capture anything. But on the way back, they record this.
Cara do céu. Pelo menos para a manifestação foi, não teve pedra, nada. Foi só a porta que bateu ali, velho.
É, mas só a porta. Queria jogar alguma coisa na gente lá, velho.
As at the beginning, this time, at the end of the investigation, they managed to record the figure of a priest who is clearly following them. Whether it's a real ghost or just another fake, folks, decide.
So, yun nga, no, mga pebs. So yun nga, no, mga pebs, no. Kayo na po bahala humusga kung scripted man yun o hindi. Pero, kahit siguro na scripted sila, eh, syempre, content. At, mag-enjoy na lang tayo manood. Sa pag-reaction, di ba, mga pebs? So, tapos na po yung 5 videos natin. No? So, sa susunod naman po ulit tayo magre-reaction. So, yan po. Bye-bye!